Darcy Forum Production Analytics Platform presentation by Datagration. Welcome, everyone. I would like to say thank you to Darcy Partners for allowing us to participate in the forum today. As a reference, this presentation, as well as the use cases, white papers, and executive overviews, are available on the Innovator storefront. Today on the call, we have several of the Datagration team. My name is Dale Sparazza. I'm Datagration's Chief Commercial Officer. I'm going to kick off the presentation and then pass it to my colleagues to provide a deeper explanation of the technology. I will then return to close out the presentation with a couple of case studies before we start our Q&A. Originally developed as a maker platform by Michael Studner and the Miracom Solutions team, the Petrovaser software has been commercialized for over 10 years. Our first automated solution was deployed in 2014. In 2020, with investment led by Quantum Energy Partners and Global Reserves Group, it allowed Datagration to acquire Miracom Solutions and the Petrovaser platform technology. Today, Datagration is pleased to announce the recent acquisition of the Mosaic Petroleum Analytics platform, a data analytics, reservoir simulation, and economics platform designed to optimize unconventional reservoirs. This acquisition will further expand the capabilities of the Petrovaser platform. Before we jump into the platform details, I want to set the stage by discussing some of the industry challenges. E&P companies today are under immense pressure to maintain their production levels, reduce emissions, drive their capital efficiency to get the most out of every dollar they spend, all while trying to reduce costs and maximize their manpower. But there's an issue. The issue is siloed legacy systems. Traditionally, oil and gas companies are built around legacy systems that tend to be siloed. With little to no connectivity between the systems, the data, and the people, decision-based workflows must be formatted and analyzed in a high-touch, time-consuming manual process that are prone to errors and limits the scalability and extensibility of solutions. The oil and gas industry is challenged now more than ever. Today, in order for us to make informed decisions, we are required to analyze large volumes of data from many disparate data sources and applications quickly. And this is where the Petrovaser platform shines. Simply put, Petrovaser is a knowledge automation platform for the oil and gas industry. The Petrovaser platform solves too much data, too little time conundrum that's plaguing the oil and gas operators today. It delivers automated engineering workflows in real time to improve engineering and investment decisions such as operational and CapEx efficiency. Petrovaser offers a single collaborative environment to aggregate and analyze data in order to build user-defined automated analytical workflows. The workflows connect people, systems, and data with complete transparency from the beginning to the end of a decision process. With the Petrovaser platform, companies can now improve their organizational and cross-domain workflows by automating technical and business processes. The result being mitigation of risk, improved operational efficiency, and better understanding of where to spend their next dollar, all on a unified platform. From here, I'll pass it to Michael Studner.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Michael Stundner. Over the last 10 years, Petrovaser has been developed as cloud-based self-service analytics platform, enabling our clients, us, and our partners to create sustainable digitalization solutions for the upstream industry. The Petrovaser platform delivers analytics and automated engineering workflows on a 24/7 basis. Combine reservoir operations and accounting data into advanced but proven economics and adaptive advisory systems. The results are better and faster decisions making for improved return on investment. Each automated engineering workflow is constructed with applications that solve specific petrotechnical problems and is adaptable to new data sources and organizational requirements. Unlike any other platform, Petrovaser uses domain-specific data models and integrates easily with other legacy systems. Whether finance teams, developers, or petroleum engineers use it, it accelerates efforts that focus on the broad range of business challenges, including well performance optimization, capital and asset development, and ESG optimization. Digitalization in upstream means automation of time-consuming decision-making processes like identifying and selecting the optimum workover, well intervention, and infill drilling candidates. Our unique workflow automation approach brings these processes down from months and years to literally overnight. The Petrovaser platform consists of multiple layers. First, the API layer is not only responsible for connecting to data sources and applications, but also to gain full visibility, detect problems earlier, and enable teams and act faster using your preferred visualization and collaboration tool. Second, our semantic data integration layer is using our open API to easily link to and relate any relevant cross-discipline data such as SCADA, production, reservoir, geophysical, and accounting data. Use legacy data as needed without modifying the legacy systems. The upstream semantic layer automatically transfers and maps data into various repositories and applications into trustworthy upstream information. Third, the knowledge automation layer automates your workflows and answers questions you would like to know, combining physics-based models, machine learning, and human insights. It consists of workflow applications, P# scripts, our domain-specific language, and artificial intelligence and machine learning modules, all designed to seamlessly link together and automate analytics tasks and provide insights to guide data-driven decision-making. All business logic, P# scripts, and analytics are open and in a readable format available for users. There are no black boxes. All solutions are auditable and understandable for our clients. The COVID-19 pandemic forced our industry to work and collaborate differently. Home office is the new reality. We therefore seemingly integrated Petrovaser into Microsoft Teams, the popular collaboration platform. You don't have to switch between applications anymore. You have full access and control over Petrovaser within Microsoft Teams. Petrovaser helps your teams to be more productive and collaborative by providing a better way to share messages, files, and information about your wells, facilities, leases, and other assets. You will experience increased work efficiency as less email and more productive meetings save you precious time. The presented knowledge automation is our key differentiator compared to industry incumbents. Over the last 24 years, using artificial intelligence and machine learning, we experience advantages but also limitations of these technologies. We experienced advantages in combining all available technologies, knowledge capture, physics models, and data-driven analytics. Petrovaser enables all three technologies to be integrated in advisory systems to support and automate upstream decision-making. So, no, it is not a question of which of the methods are superior, but how to combine and integrate them to leverage the strengths of each individual method using our self-service analytics Petrovaser platform. From here, I will pass it to our CTO, Kenton Gray.
I'm Kenton Gray, CTO of Datagration, and I'd like to show you today the Petrovaser solution. So we're going to go through a few different areas. First, I want to show these signals. What Petrovaser does is it takes in data from lots of different data sources like SQL, CSV, Excel, your data lakes, and brings it all into one place that's built for oil and gas. So when I see here, I see all the things that we're collecting, and I can go and look at one and see a lot of information about exactly what we have in here. Petrovaser understands the language of oil and gas, so we're able to go and understand flow rates, barrels of oil, and handle all those conversions automatically. I can see some quick charts, and I can see that this well is underperforming, and I can go and look at that well and see more information, look at previous production, decline curve analysis, and even more. All this data and the entities come together to provide what we call workflows. We have hundreds of available workflows to accelerate engineering. Our workflows are focused on knowledge automation to standardize decision-making on where to spend your next dollar. These workflows are built with a combination of P#, our domain-specific language that empowers engineers to easily create machine learning models, utilize physics-based calculations, and a simple-to-use scripting language. We also support R in our workflows. Finally, once this is put together, we can bring this into Microsoft Teams platform, enabling collaboration and breaking down data silos. When a problem, change, or improvement is detected, you can receive notifications in Microsoft Teams. This allows your organization to be more connected and aware in real time of events. We can also embed visualizations that automatically update, allowing teams to be working out the same information to increase productivity and solve problems. As we think about future development and our roadmap forward, we keep the customer involved the entire way. Their feedback and operational challenges help us unlock new opportunities to ensure we maintain a competitive advantage. Over the last few minutes, Dale will explain exactly how customers are using Petrovaser and how we can increase ROI.
Thank you, Kenton. As discussed earlier in the presentation, the Petrovaser platform has been commercialized over the last 10 years. Our client base have implemented the technology in over 260 fields globally and have evaluated over 20,000 wells. Implementations span from brownfield to greenfield assets and geographically range from the Middle East to North America. Our library of 50-plus commercial automated engineering workflows cover all the petrotechnical situations, conventional to unconventional. We find that the most common use cases for utilizing the Petrovaser platform to optimize operations in order to drive efficiency of capital spend are focused around 4 areas: well performance optimization, optimizing EOR processes, ESG, and the optimization of capital development. As we have Stefan Egar, Senior Reservoir Engineer from RDG, joining us today to discuss this use case in detail, I'll set the stage with a quick review. RDG was challenged with migrating legacy production data to the cloud, where they wanted to implement technology to assess their assets. The existing legacy systems in place were not capable of providing the necessary data ingestion and integration to achieve their goal. Petrovaser provided the technical capabilities needed for an end-to-end solution. The technology delivered an asset assessment capability that integrated production allocation, virtual flow meter, and automated rod pump failure detection information using machine learning to create an automated evaluation process. The outcome was a cost-effective solution for marginal field assessment. Petrovaser provided an ability for RDG to switch systems in a few weeks. It delivered an automated assessment capability well beyond existing legacy systems currently in place. Thank you very much for your time. We'll now open up the discussion for Q&A.